Ooh, that was a good one.
Stuart loves watching himself on video.
Go ahead. Go back in. Oh.
Stuart, are you watching
Good
yourself
boy,
on
take your
video? Right after your bath? Where are you?
Good
Yep.
boy. Birdie bath time. Ooh, good boy.
He could watch this 20,000 times over.
He loved that.
This is hilarious.
No more stinky bird.
Then watch this. If I change the video, he loves it.
He's done.
It's like a bird theater. Let's see. Hold on. See what happens if I put this one on.
With textbooks. With
Who's that, Stuart?
Pages. I mean, just lavish, very easy to understand all the scientific data. They have we have a deadly.
Who's that, Picklebird?
The two books and the two films with the audio CD. In fact, what is it, 1995?
Okay, so that one's not that entertaining. Or maybe we should go back to, let me see, yesterday? Possibly? No, we gotta go back another day. Let's go. Stuart. My pictures. Where is it? Oh no, where'd it go? There it is. I know he likes this video.
We're gonna get video of him talking. Well, here's Stuart watching. Here's a video of him. I'm taking a video of a video.
Stuart, who's that?
But he doesn't seem too interested. Stuart!
Who's that, Stuart?
I don't know how to use this thing.
Are you all wet? You got your birdie bath? Let us see you. Oh, you look like a little owl.
Doesn't seem to autofocus.
Okay, that's the end.
What are you doing,
Let you go back to watching your movies, Stu.